Now, since I got my foundation out, I'm sorry, my concealer out and that brush, gotta do my nose. Just want to bring out a little glare on the nose, and I just take it and I do a little stripe. Like so. And then I leave it alone. And I'm done with that. My dresser is not organized at the time. So, I have to find my brushes. Jason. Jason. My makeup brushes.
You make a what?
Sponges.
What about it?
Can't find them.
The sponges.
Yeah, can you go get my Michael Kors bag?
Where is it downstairs?
Yeah, it's downstairs. I think my sponges are in there. Let's check this bag first before I send him all the way downstairs. Nope, I got them.
Okay.
There's in this Michael Kors bag. Sponges. But get the same concealer that I use for my eyeliner to outline my eyes. Gotta put it on in there. Girlfriend is old. Gotta get rid of that. Gotta bring out my eyes more. Make them pop, but also gotta get rid of those evidence of bags. So you just take it and you bring out your cheekbone. I'm not dramatic with mine. I lightly put it on. Just at the spots where light can hit it. So. The light brings it out. Here, 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 and here. Now, I just got this stick from Sephora. And it's a concealer crayon pencil. And I just take it here and here, across my cheekbones. And I just give it a little more. Get some whiskers. But up here. Okay. And nose bridge area. I look like a tiger. But that's going to quickly go away. Fast. So, see that? Gone. You want to get that blending very good. Okay. Gotta get those cheekbones. Make sure you go under the liner, the concealer liner. I just take my finger and just blend that stripe in there. That's all. I left it there, so can't really tell it's a tiger stripe, but I just wanted to leave it there so I could get my blend it. Perfect. Alright. I'm gonna go back over my nose here. Make sure I didn't cover any up. That area